The primary difference between synthetic and natural vitamins is in their production process. I am Kelly, an occupational therapist and essential oil specialist. Hit that subscribe button and click the bell. You don't want to miss a new uploaded video, and stay tuned to the end for downloadable recipes. Synthetic vitamins are man-made vitamins that are created in a laboratory, and they're often referred to as isolated or chemical vitamins. These vitamins are not naturally occurring and can be harder for the body to absorb and utilize. The synthetic vitamins are made from chemicals to mimic the natural way your body absorbs nutrients from foods. They tend to be slightly different shaped molecules to the natural version and are difficult for the body to absorb. Many synthetic vitamins lack the transporters and cofactors associated with naturally occurring vitamins because they have been isolated. When consumed, natural vitamins are broken down in the digestive system easier and flawlessly and absorbed into the bloodstream more efficiently, where they can be then transported to the organs and tissues that are needed. Now, if you're looking to change your health and up level it, please click the link below to a class that I offer and my free downloaded recipes. Give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.